Good afternoon from Disney's Blizzard Beach.
Yeah.
Water park day. Wearing a shirt that says take me to a water park.
I'm not.
I'm ready to get wet.
Oh no.
And cool off because it is a hot day.
Yeah, it's like 80 something degrees. It's pretty warm. A little windy.
A little windy, a little warm.
Yeah.
Let's go to Blizzard Beach, but first I want to get something to eat. It really feels like we're in a tropical ski resort. We've got our bathing suits on. We got our locker rented. We're headed over to LottaWatta Lodge to get something to eat. That's where we're headed, right there. It looks like an old ski lodge.
Oh, this is interesting.
Oh yeah. Tells you what the UV index is and what SPF they recommend for today.
I think I would always recommend 50 plus.
Yeah.
I don't think 30 is ever gonna cut it in Florida. Just me personally.
Oh no, some people are worth melting for. Apparently Button's the one that's worth melting for. You can see they're all melting. They've got all their skis lined up with their snowboards and everything.
Oh no, these are mine.
Oh, are they? The ski shoes, the snowshoes. Wonder what I'm gonna get.
They have a short rib rice bowl.
They have a whole section of vegetarian and vegan options. We recently tried the Impossible Burger. This one's called the Beyond Vegetarian Burger. I don't think it's anything like the Impossible Burger though. So there it is, there's my burger that I got, which has some barbecue on top of it, which looks really good. And then here's Jenn's short rib.
I don't know what I was expecting, but I didn't expect it to look like that.
Yeah.
It smells good, so maybe it'll taste better than it looks.
It looks pretty bad.
It looks kind of like dog food.
Yeah.
We'll see, it might taste better.
And they also gave, I don't know, maybe this is my coleslaw?
It must be.
But then I asked them, I saw a bunch of chips. I said, can I have some chips? They're like, yeah, whatever. So they gave us a thing of chips.
Ooh, for free.
Yeah, here comes the airplane.
Oh.
Look on my nose.
Sorry.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it tastes really good actually. Better
That's
than
the
it
short
looks.
rib, that's good.
Yeah.
You got on my nose.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Now you'll have it forever.
It'll smell as we're in the water.
I smell like beef. I smell like beef.
The burger's so good.
What does it taste like?
I taste cheddar.
Okay.
I taste barbecue pork.
Oh, is there barbecue pork on your burger?
Barbecue pork on my burger,
I didn't
but
know
there's
that.
also like crispy onion strings on there too. I think they might be potato chips. I don't know, they're not crispy anymore because they're like covered in barbecue sauce.
It looks really delicious from here. All meat. Pretty good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Now that we've eaten our food, we have to wait 30 minutes before going in the water.
And through the magic of editing.
Let's go get the GoPro and get in the water. Where should we start? In the lazy river?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, let us do some digesting, lazying it up.
I think we could spend 30 minutes in there.
Why not?
Because truth be told, we did not wait 30 minutes.
Not at all. Oh no.
It's cold.
It's cold. The river is cold. Let's head in though. Okay, okay. Oh,
Theming.
it's very, very shallow.
It's so cold.
And it's so cold on my back. But it's kind of relaxing. Wow, look at that. Oh no. Bye. I'm not in control of my speed. I was looking up at the trees blowing in the wind, the relaxing xylophone or steel drum music. It's beautiful. Do you know why we got out of the lazy river? Do you know what specifically about that waterfall? Not because we didn't want to get wet, but because,
really cold?
Yeah, it is melting snow. So because of theming, they made it ice cold.
I'm okay. I'll walk.
And you know how we know that? Is because we watched this video that's up in the corner here. That is all of my descriptions of all the water parks from Water Park Week. We're on the very back of the mountain. You can see up here, there's the mountain, there's a slide right there. And we found this one area. There's even more.
Let's look over there.
Holy cow. So many secluded beach chairs back here.
Whoa.
It doesn't feel like you're at the beach anymore.
No, because literally look, you're
Yeah,
in the woods.
you're just in the woods. We're headed up to do runoff rapids. This is one of the only slides that you have to walk up all the stairs. The other ones you can take the ski lift. Look, there's Pandora doing the open slide. Everybody else is doing the enclosed one. It's quite the line. Here we go. Whee! Whoa! Oh man, this got going real quick, real fast, didn't it? Whoa! Whoa! This one wasn't open when I came here for Water Park Week. Whee! But it's pretty fun. It's nice. It's actually kind of relaxing. Like I feel like I'm just having a nice slide down the mountain. Whee! Woo! Oh no, oh geez, oh okay. Came in a little hot sideways. That's where we were, up there. Whee! Oh, this is nice. This is a nice long slide. I like this. Oh man, we're getting kind of crazy here at the end. Oh dear, here we go, splashdown. Oh, oh, so cold, so cold. Here she comes. Whoa! Now I'm gonna go down the enclosed one. It looks like they used to have 3 slides, but they closed one of them. Wonder why. Oh, here we go. Into the darkness. Whoa! Ooh! I feel like I'm at, oh geez, like an 80s music video. I cannot see. I've got my sunglasses on still. Whoa! 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 Oh, this is exhilarating. I don't know where I am. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it's getting crazy now. Oh dear. Oh my, oh! Whoa! Oh, here we go. Here comes the exit. Whoa! Oh, I flipped over. I made it though. This one was one of my favorites. Here they come.
Oh no.
Like this guy.
Whoa!
Look at this. Holy cow. So we're headed back over to the lockers because we wanted to check and see if the dog sitter texted about Bandit. And our lockers are over here in the front of the park, but these aren't the only lockers. So after we check our phones, we're gonna go show you guys where the other lockers are.
But there's only 2 locker areas.
Yeah, that's strange, right?
I thought so.
So we're headed into Tykes Peak because I believe that's where the other lockers are. Oh no. Do not enter the water if you're ill with diarrhea. All right, I was wrong. The lockers are not in Tykes Peak. They are just on the other side. I believe that building right there. So I was close. This is Ski Patrol Training Camp, and this is for kids. Like one time Jen tried to go in there and they told her no.
They were like, are you a kid? And I said, at heart. And they said, not good enough.
But right behind you here are the lockers and bathrooms. This is strange. So the lockers that we rented were $15 near the front of the park. And these, you need a key to use. And I don't know where you get a key from. Ours is a little keypad where you enter in a number. This is strange.
I'm very confused.
Oh, here. Towels and keys for lockers available at Snowless Joe's. Oh, now we have to find Snowless Joe's. What the heck? How silly is this? Here are the lockers that we rented. 22 is Snowless Joe's. Right now, we're over at these lockers. So you have to rent a key over here for these lockers over here.
Huh.
That makes 0 sense.
I think that was like an afterthought.
Yeah.
So, well, now you know to probably just use the lockers at the very front of the park.
Although these are more secluded.
But you'll have to be like running back and forth to get your key. So it's like a little bit of, what do you want to do?
Yeah. We determined our first, or I guess our next slide that we're gonna go on is Steamboat Springs, which is a big family raft ride. And we are not going to be taking the ski lift because we don't want to be sitting up there like these guys.
Yeah, it keeps stopping.
No fun.
Whoa, you hit the side.
Oh yeah.
That looks like it hurt.
It's not really the funnest ride, it's very painful. That was Summit Plummet. So, like we said before, we did do a whole series on all of the rides at all the different water parks. So we'll put that in the description down below and up in the corner over here. There's a good overview of the whole park as we make our way up there. If you look very carefully, you can see Expedition Everest, Tree of Life, Pandora, World of Avatar, over there. Here we go. Uh-oh.
Oh no, I don't want to do it backwards.
Whoa. Whoa. You all right?
I'm having like flashbacks of that one.
Oh, at Aquatica?
Yeah, the one. Like, see?
Here we go. Whoa!
This one.
Whoa!
Oh no.
Oh no, I'm just going backward. Whee! Whoa! I feel like this is somewhat scary, but sort of relaxing.
No, it's
scary?
I just took that other one that flipped.
Oh, yeah. Whee! I do like how long this one is.
They added steering to the wall.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh no, I think this.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Good one, good one.
Oh no.
Here we go. Here's the end. Whee! Flash down. Oh! Dance a baby. Oh wait.
How does the steel drum
The
one
tree
go?
for me. I just stepped on a rock.
Are you okay?
But an awful good girl. Santa baby.
Who's the summer Santa?
Oh, summer Santa.
No.
Bring me a sandcastle too.
Light blue.
The last time we were here, there were so many people in the wave pool, it looked like no fun. This doesn't look bad. Time to head up the mountain to the purple slope. We're gonna do, I think, snowstormers or toboggan racers.
Snowstormers.
Okay. You ready to race me?
Which one are we gonna do it in?
These far ones over here, I think.
You don't lose your hat in classes, right?
Okay.
You guys don't have hats. Glasses is what I meant.
Woo! Woohoo! Oh, we're going fast now. Oh dear, okay, we're going real fast. All right, here we go. Okay, all right. I was not expecting to go this fast. Holy cow. Okay. You beat me. Whoa! 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 I always try to like hug inside of the turns so that I can get real fast speed going. I feel like I'm going slower though by doing that. We did it. Do you know the one thing that I dislike about this water park and Typhoon Lagoon?
What?
All the stairs.
There are a lot of stairs.
And there's a lot of stairs at any water park, but...
I will say though, the stairs are themed, so it's just a gentle incline of landscape.
Oh, you're talking about Typhoon Lagoon?
No, here.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because when we just went up the slides over there, it was just like a gentle incline.
I see. Time for some wave pool action.
Yeah.
It's not waving right now.
I'm about to get wavy. I thought it was gonna be like, you know, the like Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump. That's us getting wavy. We're waiting on a wave pool to happen really close to these rocks. The safest place to be. Don't listen to me. Hold on to me, Jen. No, why'd you just automatically let go? You ready for the waves? Yeah. Here they are. Whoa! I like this. It's like bumper boats.
I wish we were out there.
You said I don't want to go out there.
I thought it was gonna be really scary.
And I said, let's go out there. You said, no, I hate that place.
I thought it was gonna be so scary.
And I said, okay, we'll stay here in the shallows.
Do you want to build a snowman?
No?
Oh.
Sorry. Should have thought about that before you found out that I hated snow.
Take me over there.
What? Okay.
Oh no, we're farther away now.
Hold on to my foot.
Okay.
No, I said hold on to my foot. I've got a tight grip on you with my feetsies. How do they prevent people from ramming into... Oh no! From ramming into the stone wall. Look at that. Oh no, for real. I don't want you to hit that. Do you hear this jazz flute that's going on right now?
Baxter.
Baxter. We're headed back to the locker now. I think we're about done with the day. It's been a wonderful, wonderful day here at Blizzard Beach.
It's been so nice.
We're all done with the water. We're all changed, and we're gonna check out the beach house, which is like the souvenir store here. And one of the things that I found as soon as we walked in is there's a fuel rod machine right there. So if you need to exchange your fuel rod, here it is right inside the doors. I absolutely love the theming at Blizzard Beach. I had a good time today. Did you have a good time?
I had the best time.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
Nice.
I love Blizzard Beach. I do love Typhoon Lagoon more, but I love a water park, especially a Disney water park.
So there you have it. That was our trip to Disney's Blizzard Beach. I feel like I'm the wrong person to ask for an opinion on whether or not this is a good water park or not.
I didn't say it was a bad water park.
No. Because I think every water park is amazing. Oh,
well, yeah. I mean, water parks are fun. I know there are people out there that don't like water parks, but I would say if you're one of those people, give Blizzard Beach a chance.
Yeah.
Actually, no. Give Typhoon Lagoon a chance first. I think you're going to love them after that.
Yeah. So, with that being said, we are off. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm Art.
And I'm Annie.
And now it's time to pay the price.